Hello po. Hello, sir.
Hmm.
Sir, yung Lalamove po. Sir, saan yun sa inyo dito? Nag-arrive na po kasi ako sa sa drop-off location.
I cannot speak Tagalog. Speak English.
Ah, okay. Sir, I'm sorry. I'm here na po sa drop-off location, sir. I'm already arrived.
I'm in front of my house, but I cannot see.
Huwag kayo
Oh,
iiyak.
okay. But 15, 12.
Yes, from 15 Lord 12. Can
Wa-
you tell me?
1-5, sir. 1-5, 12.
Yes, 1512.
Oh, okay. Are you sure, sir?
Huwag kayo iiyak.
I'm here already, sir.
Where? I'm in front of my house.
10, 11.
Where? I'm black. I'm black. Black man.
Oh, yes, sir. But I didn't see, sir. But I already
I'm on my street. I cannot see.
15. I'm here in 1514.
I told you 1512, not 1514.
Yes, sir. What I mean is the number 14 is beside on 12 or 13. But I'm here.
Hindi, wow.
I cannot see you. I'm in front of my street.
Okay. Just wait, sir. Okay. I'll try to ask on your neighbor. Okay. Thank you, sir. Patay tayo dyan. Napalaban tayo Englishan, men. Nakakita akong Black American dun, ah. Ah. Hey, sir. Stop. I'm sorry, sir. But this is your order? Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Alright, so I can drop off. Buti na lang, hindi na tayo hinonta. Nakita ko lang siya dun eh. May black man eh. Sabi niya kasi black daw siya. So, nakita ko. Ayun.